Hello Smarties, Assalamu alaikum. Let's learn the letter sheen today. The letter sheen. The letter sheen makes the sound like a snake. S. Let's see how to write it. You need to make 2 teeth and a big belly. 2 teeth and a big belly. Let's see the short sounds it makes. Sheen with a Fathah sa, sheen with a Kasra si, sheen with a Dammah su. Sa, si, su. Let's practice some words. Sa'id, Sa'id, Sinjab, Sinjab, Sukkar. Did you hear the short sounds? Happy is Sa'id, squirrel, Sinjab, sugar, Sukkar. Let's see the long sounds it makes. Sheen with Alif next to it, Sa. Sheen with Ya next to it, Si. Sheen with Waaw next to it, Su. Sa, Si, Su. حساب غسيل سور. Let's repeat. Math is حساب, the long sound حساب. Laundry غسيل. Fence سور. Arabic letters look different in the beginning, middle and at the end. In the beginning and in the middle, it loses its belly. Only at the end, it lets its belly out. The letter sheen joins hands on both sides with the letter before and the letter after it. Okay, here we have some words, but the letter sheen is missing. Can you try to fill in the letter sheen with the correct form? Remember, sheen will join hands on both sides, but you need to look at the letter before it. If the letter before it is one-handed, it will not join hands with it. The first one is Usra. Usra. Usra means family. We have a missing sheen, but the letter before it is Alif. Alif will not join hands, so we cannot use this one. We will use this one. Next one, Jarasa. Jarasa means bell. We need a sheen at the end, so its belly should be out. But will you use this one or this one? This sheen has a little hand to join with the letter before it, but Ra will not join hands, so we will use this one. Next one. A turtle in Arabic is Sulhafa. Sulhafa. Which one will you use? This one or this one? Since it's the first letter, we will use this one. Sulhafa. Last one. Samak. Samak. The sheen has to join hands with the meme, so we cannot use this one because it has its belly out. We will use this one. Samak.
Yay! Now we know the letter very well.
Don't forget to subscribe and we will learn something new in the next video.